over India, joining in for a video by Thukral Law Associates. I am Muskan Narang and today we will discuss the concept of a few important wills. When a person reaches the dawn of their life or when they own a large estate, they are concerned about who will receive the benefit after their death. There are many types of wills, and when it comes to leaving behind estate and properties for your loved ones, it is very important to know the difference between different types of wills and what they are. A few things we are going to discuss today are what is a will, joint will, mutual wills, and the parallelized benefit between the two, duplicate wills, and how to register a will in India. First, let's discuss what is a will. A will is covered by Indian Succession Act 1925. It is a legal declaration of the testator's wish regarding the concern of in whose favor the property shall devolve after his death. A holograph will is a will a testator writes entirely in his own handwriting. A joint will is a single testamentary instrument that contains the will of two persons and is jointly executed by both of them. Mutual wills are separate wills of two or more persons that are reciprocal in their nature and executed in pursuance of an agreement between two or more persons to disposal of their property to each other or to a third party in the particular mode or manner. So what was this parallelized benefit I was talking about? In all likelihood, one spouse will survive the other one. But after the death of one spouse, the hands of the surviving spouse are tied. It diminishes the scope of changing the inheritance after the death of one spouse. In case of an unfortunate early death of one spouse, the surviving spouse would not be able to add the new spouse or the children from the next marriage into the beneficiary of the property from the last will. It also restricts the changing of inheritance of the child from the previous marriage. It also limits the ability to make independent decisions. A property that is left cannot be sold or rented. So while it might seem that they own the property, they cannot enjoy the benefits from the property. And this is what I call parallelized benefit. Recently, I came across a very interesting concept of duplicate wills. Duplicate wills is where a testator can create a duplicate will for the sake of safety or safekeeping with a bank or a trustee or an executor. However, if the testator destroys the will in his possession, then the other will is also considered revoked. We have almost come to the end of the video where we talk about how to register a will in India. Will registration is optional under Section 18 of the Registration Act. A will can be registered with the registrar, sub-registrar with a nominal registration fees. The testator must be personally present at the registrar's office along with the witnesses. A will can also be created on a plain piece of paper where there is no requirement to pay stamp duty, court fees or registration fees for creating a will. With a registered will, it requires that the testator and the witnesses appear before the registering officers for the registration of the will. The officer attests the documents after ascertaining the identity of the persons. Another tidbit for you, there is no inheritance tax in India. Also, a property is transferred based on a genuine will without payment of stamp duty, whereas in other forms of transfers, a requisite amount of stamp duty is payable. That was all from my side regarding wills in India. If you would like more information, you can contact us in the description of the video. Check out more videos from our YouTube channel and see you next time.